Maw Ryngkew is a small village in the East Khasi Hills in northeast India. It's a charming little village. It's even been voted Asia's cleanest village. But Maw Ryngkew isn't just the home of miraculous cleanliness. On the outskirts of the village, a geological wonder awaits. A boulder, hovering in midair. Now, this giant rock defies the forces of gravity. And how is that possible? Well, this strange phenomenon has been achieved through the unmatched power of Photoshop. Yep, the viral images of the rock like this are a total hoax. In reality, this huge boulder balances atop a smaller boulder that has been airbrushed out of the shot. Well, that's disappointing, to say the least. Nevertheless, there is still a strange mystery behind this rock. Enclosed in a wire fence, the large boulder has been balanced here for thousands of years. Countless cyclones and torrential typhoons have swept through the area, but none have managed to topple it. And no one knows why this rock monument was built in the first place. Local historians suggest it was an ancient shrine of the Khasi tribes before the adoption of Christianity. However, the elders of the village say the rock was the stage for human sacrifices, made 1,000 years ago to appease the gods. To this day, the origin of the balancing Maw Ryngkew rock monument remains unsolved. All we do know now is that the world's miracles are best performed by Photoshop.